another super sunny day in London, and of course we had to do the most of it. And now we are in Canary Wharf. This area is absolutely gorgeous, and we will spend some time in a park. It's a beautiful park here. I will show you some of the views. It's so nice to see so much green, and it's so relaxing, and people are enjoying the sun today.
And the Diet Coke.
That will through, okay?
Yes, thank you. Plate?
Yes.
That's good.
So nice. So good to be here finally after such a long time, and seeing that things are getting back to normal, and hopefully they will stay like this. It's not that crowded, is it? But there are quite a few people, but not too many. Usually it's full here. But let's say that it is a little bit chill now, and it is exactly what we need on a Sunday evening or afternoon. It's just perfect. got lost when we moved here.
You got lost every time.
Only for a couple of times. Don't make it look that bad because it was not that bad. It was a little bit weird and funny for you, but it was fun. In the meantime, I learned how to travel by DLR, and I also got lost with the underground, but I don't know which of the lines. It was Jubilee or something like that. Do you remember? I remember
No.
that I was getting to one of the stations and I had to get out because in this way I had signal and I had 4G, so I was able to call you, and because we had shared location, basically I called you to see where I am at that moment so you can see my location to check it, and in this way you could have told me which line I should take to get home. But yeah, you annoyed me. You made me feel that bad. I think this is one of the things that I love the most about London. We are here in Canary Wharf. There are so many huge buildings, but you can also find these green spaces and look at these people. I mean, imagine on a Sunday evening, on a Sunday afternoon, you can meet your friends and, I don't know, have a drink or have a picnic and spend a lovely day here on the grass. Imagine how nice it could be, how nice it can be. And yes, people are socially distancing, as you can see.
Yeah, just keep it safe.
Yeah, we will also did the same thing, but on the other part of the buildings, on the other side.
They're bold.
More than you, huh? day. Also, that's all for this week. So we are heading home and we will have lunch. I guess my husband is gonna cook even though he doesn't know it yet. And after that, we will start a new week, a new vlog. The same me. See ya guys.